Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new here, my name is Mouli and welcome to another NICKA haul. I love watching hauls and I love making them too. You seem to love it, I seem to love it, so let's do it together. But before starting the haul, I need to say some sweet things. Number one, I'm not encouraging you to buy any of these under the sun because I know times are very tough right now, so don't go ahead and buy whatever you want. Invest and buy according to your budget, alright? I don't even know why I bought all this shit, but I bought in the end. This is the first time that I have purchased all these products that I'm going to show you except the one product. Number two, I'm not going to give any review in this video. I'm just going to show you what I have bought because I have no idea how this works. Sometimes I repurchase the product. That time sometimes I give some mini reviews, but I think that is redundant because you are here for entertainment. So yeah, these are the 2 points that I wanted to mention, so to make sure that we're on the same page of the book. So yeah, if you're interested to know what I have in my hauls of February month, then please keep on watching. The first one that I have bought is this Moroccan argan oil from Wishcare. Very shady brand. I just wanted to try this one out. This one retails for 1000 rupees for 100 ml, and I bought the brand Wishcare, which I am not a really big fan of. I have tried 3 shampoo. Among them I have liked one, but I don't know why I bought this. I could have bought some other Moroccan oil from other brands, but right now my hair fall is dangerous, you guys. I don't know how to control that. I am hoping that it will work. I have no idea. The first product, extremely expensive for this freaking 100 ml. Another product that I bought from Wishcare is this Kimino matcha green tea. I have got one of them in my PR, but the different variant, so I wanted to try out the another variant. Honestly, I liked the previous ones, that's why I have called for this one. This one retails for 1000 rupees again, you guys, for 50 grams, but I know matcha green tea is very expensive, and this is made in Japan as they have mentioned. I have tried vanilla ice cream with matcha green tea, and that time I fell in love with matcha green tea, so I really wanted to try this one out. Then I got one through PR and then I fell in love with that, so that's why I went for the 50 grams one. They also have the 30 grams of variant, so you can go ahead and check that one out. I personally feel it's very addictive, so once you get into it you cannot back off instantly, so that's why I bought it. No excuse. Actually, I have purchased some of the food products from NYKAA. Weird, huh? The next product I have called for, however, is from SETU ashwagandha boost fizz. I like to try out new things as we are on the effervescent tablets life nowadays. Brands are coming out with different type of effervescent tablets, so people are encouraging to buy that too, so that's why I bought this. The packaging is really cute, green, and when you open it, how to open it? Eee. The smell is extremely strong, you guys. For the smell it provides, I'm definitely going to sniff it again in my life. This one retails for 600 rupees, 28 effervescent tablets. So this is 1 month experience. Stored in a dry, well-ventilated place at a temperature not exceeding 25 degrees centigrade. Protect from direct sunlight. Keep out of reach of children. It says that it helps with mood and stress management, which I genuinely need. So इसमें कोई skin care benefit आपको मिलने नहीं वाला है. But it has vitamin C, lemon extract, lemon flavored as well. So let's see how it performs. I will let you know. Next product I have called for another food product. This is the Everyday Bud ACV gummies, apple cider vinegar, 10% acetic acid, 1 month kit. Can I just tell you, I don't like to have apple cider vinegar by itself. Like, I just don't like to sip it. I don't know why, but it's very good for your wet management. So I actually have taken one today. It tastes pretty good. Now it says apple cider vinegar is known for its slimming properties. Regular consumption of this gummies helps you to get rid of that irritating belly fat, which it does not. Nothing in the world can reduce your belly fat by eating any stuff, okay? So you have to do exercise. With that, you can incorporate this. This one retails for 499 rupees and the shelf life of this product is 2 years, and it has 30 gummies with no added sugar. We have had enough of food. Now let's move on to some good old basic things from NYKAA. I have called for this Mexico perfume. Can I just tell you, I have never tried anything from this brand itself. I know a lot of you guys have told me to try something from this brand, like after shaving and whatnot, but I have never tried anything from Bombay Shaving. So I was like, let's start off with perfume. The top notes has bergamot, neroli and lemon. The heart has rose and teakwood, and base has vetiver and musk. Hopefully this will worth the price because this one retails for 795 rupees for 100 ml. Let's see what's this all about. Oh, this is how it looks. It's not gonna be experiential by any means, which sucks because I love a good packaging of a perfume, but yeah, it's okay, it's fine, we are okay with it. It's for men, I believe. I love men perfume. I think this is so man-made, like a fragrance stuff. How can someone distinguish a fragrance in female and male? This is so like 90s sort of a vibe. Next, I've called for something which I genuinely like and I can suggest you to grab these. I'm talking about this Diego Royal and Pixie lashes from Swiss Beauty. When I have purchased these lashes beforehand, I have never seen these variants, so I was like, let's see what's all this about. But these I have to say these are very dramatic, very wispy. They have different length of lashes, which is making me buy some other variants as well. I have already given an in-depth review of the other Swiss Beauty lashes before, and you seem to love that video. A lot of good responses I have got on that video, so I'm very thankful for that. Thank you so much. But do let me know in the comment section if you want me to do part 2 using these lashes, where I can put on and I can see with you guys, because I did not try these, but I really hope from the bottom of my heart that they did not change the formulation. They don't need to fix which is not broken, and this one is definitely not broken. Next, I have called for another bottle of squalane oil from Minimalist. Will you believe if I say that I have completely finished up an oil within 3 months, and I come from the oily acne prone skin type? Yes guys, I genuinely finished that one up. I love how it feels on the skin. It does not clog your pores whatsoever. It does not feel heavy or greasy on the skin. Highly recommend you guys. Definitely grab this one if you want to try something from Minimalist, because I know a lot of you cannot try because their serums are based on aloe vera juice, and aloe vera juice is something which is not workable throughout different type of skin type. So definitely I think this is a really good option to go for. It's gonna heal your skin, it's gonna repair your skin barrier, it's gonna give you very beautiful glowy dewy finish look which you need. You don't have to put on makeup every single time. I think I have bought it during winter time, that's why I'm liking it. I will try to save this one out for the summer time to see how it feels on my skin during summers, because that time is my skin literally produces that amount of oil in which you can literally fry your fish. This one retails for 6.99 rupees for 30 ml. I will say very sweet price point for a squalane oil. The next bunch of product is gonna be a very trending product which I can see every time whenever I am opening YouTube. I'm talking about some Insight lipsticks and lip glosses as well. I just wanted to give it a try by myself. I have never purchased anything from this brand whatsoever, so nonetheless I am very excited to try these products out, and hopefully my money is not wasted. I will leave some of the links in the eye, guys. You can go ahead and check those one out after watching this video, wherein I have shown a lot of different affordable products. One is non-transfer proof, one is lip gloss and matte lipping. I just wanted to try different type of variants rather than purchasing all the lots from a same variant. So that's why I'm really interested to try these products out, and hopefully they won't disappoint me. The next product, however, I have purchased is NICKA K Autumn Spice, and I had one but I broke that one, so I really needed to purchase this one because I love the formulation and I don't want to see this going out of stock and I cannot get my hands on it. So I just wanted to get my hands on it whenever I can. So inexpensive, so good quality, highly pigmented. I have got one through PR in 2021 and I broke that, so yeah, that's why I called for this one. The last product of the haul is the Faceshop Water Free Tint. I have purchased another color before, but I did not like that. I don't know if it's something with the formulation of the product or not, but that became really patchy on my skin. I could not blend it with brush, even with expensive beauty blender. That's a bummer. I just wanted to give it another try. Everyone down the drain loves this product, and I genuinely don't want to waste my money again, so finger crossed for that. That's all I had to show you guys. I'm not going to provide any link in the description box below except the lashes and the Minimalist squalane oil, because all the products that I have shown except those, I did not try it out, and I'm not going to recommend you something without trying by myself. So yeah, that concludes this video. I really hope you guys found this video entertaining, and if you did, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to my channel if you're seeing this damn face for the first time, and do not forget to hit the notification bell icon so whenever I will post new videos in future, you will get a notification of that. And hopefully I will see you guys on the next one. Till then, I love you all so much. Stay happy, stay beautiful and stay safe. Bye.